Welcome back to my channel, and Happy New Year. This is my first video in the new year. It's 2022. So excited about this new year. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and also hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I drop a video. In today's video, however, we are doing a try-on haul from some Black female-owned businesses, MUURSWAGG and RNWY label. Let's get into it. Okay, so first up, little disclaimer, if you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking at the information from my computer. So first up, we have the Millie sweater top. This top is $29.99. This is a knit black sweater top with white long sleeves, providing the perfect contrast. It can be paired with your favorite jeans, skirts, and shorts with some boots and a great weekend vibe. The material is 84% acrylic, 11% nylon, 5% polyester, and I have this in the size large. Next up from RNWY label, we have the Ellie Mae top. This top is on sale for $24.99. This is a beige one color corset shaped top that has a long ruche sleeves, and the sleeves are very long, which I love, and a side zip closure. It can be paired with your favorite jeans or pants or skirt. It is in the color beige. It is 95% polyester, 5% elastane, and this item does run small, so you do need to size up. Next up is one of my absolute favorite dresses that I have owned thus far. This is from MUURSWAGG, the Cut the Check dress. So this dress is given fun and flirty. This is a high-low dress that can be worn as a jacket or a dress. It features an oversized collar, which I absolutely love. Has a front two-way zipper, dramatic oversized sleeves, and front pockets. And this is 100% polyester, and this dress is $94. Next up from RNWY label are the mom jeans in the color medium blue wash. These are $49.99. These medium blue wash cuff mom jeans are a must-have, and I do mean a must-have. They have a comfortable stretch, 5 pockets, and a 32-inch inseam, and they are high-rise. So again, they're in the color medium wash, 99% cotton, 1% spandex. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.